Okay guys, they got it in and it is a beautiful, look at the counter, oh my gosh. And if we swing here to the left, you can see the piece that's underneath the washer and dryer. Oh, and of course we don't have overhead lights, so it's a bit hard to see detail. But you can see on the edge here, we did the cove cut on the corner, or on the edge rather. And then for the backsplash, we went with a 6-inch backsplash. And then it's got that little curved detail cut into it. But I'll try to find the name of what this marble is and we can put it on the screen, but I absolutely love the veining in it, like the movement. It's so beautiful and it's warm, creamy, and it looks really good with our cabinet color too, which you can kind of see right here. Again, the lighting is kind of weird at the moment, but we went with the Sherwin-Williams Creamy. And that's what this color is right here, which of course, once we get all the doors and stuff on the front here, the drawers and the cabinetry, we'll be able to see that a lot better. But oh, I'm loving it so much. See if we can back up and look at the whole space here. It is coming together. And here we are from the other side. Boy, just seeing that one detail go in has really changed a lot in here. In fact, it shifted our minds in terms of flooring. We ordered marble tiles for flooring in here and we set them down and the colors don't quite go together and it was just kind of a lot. So we're gonna use the tiles in a different room and we're going to do hardwood in here. So we're gonna go shop for some of that, and I think that that will bring some warmth, because if we have the light colored cabinetry, lighter base color in the marble, and then we are going light for the walls, I think having a darker-ish, it'll be like a medium brown kind of color, will just bring that warmth and it'll be so beautiful. So anyway, super happy with this counter. I just want to like put a chair in here and look at it for a little while. But that, along with the crown molding, and then we're going to picture frame molding on the rest of the wall, I think all the detail in here will be beautiful. And this whole project, we were talking about this with our contractor yesterday, this room will really help kind of catapult all the rest of the decisions in the house, because the flooring, the wood flooring that we choose for this room will be the wood flooring we carry throughout the rest of the house when we tackle each new space. So like when we tackle the kitchen renovation downstairs, we'll use the same wood flooring. I want something extremely similar to this for our countertops downstairs. Yeah, what else? Oh, the crown molding, we know how we like that. We will have the baseboard sort of thing kind of worked out. We have the window picked out, which will carry on through the whole house. So I think it will, and even like the faucets and that, and I'm doing mixed metals in here. We're going to have some aged brass in this part of the room, and then we're doing polished nickel in the powder room section, but because I like that look. It looks a little bit more curated instead of like I bought a set for the whole room. So anyway, yeah, I don't know. I think it's just going to make everything a little bit easier going forward, hopefully.